Weather-wise today, pretty good one. We were above average in both Portland and Bangor, 35. That 32 in Bangor, I was hoping they'd hit 33 because Bangor has not been above freezing since that storm. I think it was January 22nd was the last time Bangor had a temperature that was above freezing. That's been an impressive run. The airport has been running a little cold though, so I suspect downtown you've gone above freezing since then and probably did today. Little breeze out there now, nothing too strong, but it is a little noticeable if you're heading out for a walk or whatnot late this evening, late this afternoon as we turn into evening. 31 in Bangor, 34 in Portland. We're at 16 in Rangeley. We had some cloud cover that was stubborn today in eastern and northern Maine, while the vast majority of the state enjoyed lots of sunshine. This area of high pressure tomorrow will bring lighter winds and more sun to more of the state. So another good looking day coming up tomorrow. We're going to be mostly clear tonight. The winds tend to lighten up, but it takes a little while. So I don't think we have a full-on radiational cooling effect, but we probably drop to near zero in some of the deeper valleys and teens for most of us first thing tomorrow morning. Lots of sun on the way tomorrow, just a few passing clouds here and there, and the wind will be down from where it was today, only about 5 to 10 miles per hour. 32 in Bangor tomorrow, maybe we hit 33 and end that streak, 36 in Portland and 36 in Lewiston as well. The weekend overall I like. There could be a flurry or snow shower around on Saturday. There will be some of them, most likely to the north and east. And then Sunday is looking good with temps in the 30s south and 20s up north. We do have a front that comes in on Saturday, and that's what will trigger some of these flurries and snow showers. A couple of the models are a little bit more intense with some bursts of snow over northern and eastern Maine Saturday into Saturday night. Southern Maine, though, which just would be a passing snow shower as we see it right now. And then high pressure building in for Sunday, so if there's an early morning flake down east, you turn sunny through the day. You've probably heard about this storm system, but it's not going to be a problem for us as we see it now. It should safely scoot by to our south on Monday. And next week we'll have a couple of weak systems that come down out of Canada, but nothing that looks all that impressive. And there is some disagreements in the computer models as to the timing and intensity once we get to middle of next week. And that's partially because the jet stream next week takes on more of this flatter look from west to east. You remember back in December and January there was a big dip in the jet stream, and that's more favorable for these bigger storms to form, whereas next week there just isn't that much of a look in the pattern for anything that is significant. That also means the temps are on the way up. Average high in Portland is 34, in Bangor it's around 30, and we should be above those numbers much of the next 7 days. So there's a look. Sunshine tomorrow, Valentine's Day. Could be a few festive flakes around. Temps that'll be in the 30s. Overnight lows through the weekend are still on the chilly side, but I think next week they're probably not quite as cold. There could be a mix that comes in on Wednesday. As I mentioned, the timing of that still a little in question. It's not something to be too concerned about, but somewhere in the middle of next week we could have a little snow and or perhaps a little rain.
Okay.
Leaning in that direction.
Yeah.
Okay. Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.